नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो बिटिया। ऑनलाइन लेक्चर की सीरीज में जो डिजिटल लेक्चर हम लोग ले रहे थे, उसी क्रम में आज हम एक नया लेक्चर लेने जा रहे हैं जिसका कि नाम है चॉइस ऑफ रिपर्टरी। एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग लेक्चर, आई विल लाइक टू से that we should be proud of to be a part of this university, that is JVWU Jaipur, which is the best women's university in India and is having best homeopathic college in Jaipur. So I hope this lecture will be able to satisfy your quest for knowledge. In case you are having any query, please drop in the uh, Dropbox of YouTube channel. I will answer it in problem solving session. So we start the lecture. We know that presently over 300 different types of repertories are available to us, and each one is having its own distinct advantages. So the choice of repertory is to be made not on patient's choice or not on our choice, but it depends on the nature of the case. But upon the nature of the case, how if the case is having a lot of physical generals, then we should consider Bonigason Therapeutic Pocketbook, BBCR, Kent Repertory, and when the case is rich in mental symptoms also along with the physical generals, then we should prefer Kent Repertory, Barther and Klunker's Synthetic Repertory, Frederick Schwann's Synthesis Repertory, and Robin Murphy's Homeopathic Medical Repertory. But in case when the case is rich in pathological symptoms, here we should prefer BBCR, Nair Repertory, or Rouse Special Pathology. And suppose our case is rich in clinical rubrics, here we should use Clark's Clinical Repertory or Borick's Repertory or Lee and Clark's cough and expectoration, Allen's Repertory of Repertory of fever, Lutz's Repertory of neuralgia, and Bell's Repertory of diarrhea as per their applicability. And suppose if the case is not having much symptoms, is not having symptoms related to the whole body and only a few regional symptoms, then regional repertories are used. It is especially useful in acute sufferings. Where there are a few particular symptoms related to particular organ or system. Here we can use Barrett's repertory of eye if the case is related to eyes, Gunsey repertory of throat if there is some throat complaints, Lutz repertory of respiratory organs if respiratory organ is involved, Vandenberg repertory of respiratory system, again if the respiratory system is involved, another choice is Vandenberg's repertory. Then Morgan's repertory of urinary organs when urinary system is involved. Then Oracle McMichael repertory of digestive system if GI system is involved. Then another group of repertories is concordance repertory. They are used for reference purpose when we find rubric nowhere else, and when your rubric is quite complicated in form of language, we have to refer to concordance repertories. The example of concordance repertories are Nair repertory, Gentry's repertory, Robert's sensation as if, and Ward's sensation as if. Then another group of repertory are miasmatic repertory. We know Bonigason repertory of antisoric and not antisoric is was the first ever miasmatic repertory which we can use for the purpose. Another repertory which is authored by Dr. R.P. Patel, that is chronic miasm and their cure, can be used for the purpose. So this is all in the choice of repertories. We should not be prejudiced in making our choice for repertory. It will always depend on type of symptoms the patient is presenting with. So at the end of this lecture, I would like to give you an assignment which consists of a subjective type of question, which is as follows. On what basis will you base your choice of repertory? The question is, on what basis you will base your choice of repertory? So with this question, we end this lecture. See you in the next session with a new lecture. Till then, goodbye.